Welcome back to my channel! It is I, Aaron, and today brought you this fun purple halo moment thing. And yeah, I played with a bunch of new products, most of which were fails, and also one of which was pretty good. And yeah, so if you guys want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. But don't forget, if you're watching this video and you like it, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, join the darling army. Alright, let's get started. So let's get into some makeup, huh? So I haven't done a full beat in like 2 weeks because I've been working like 6 days straight, twice in a row. Why you do this to me? I don't like me. I don't know how to do makeup anymore. And we're gonna prime the eyes. I'm gonna look at the camera. I'm gonna look in there. Let's go ahead and use a little Kat Von D Lock It concealer. This is in L1 Neutral. Grace just went to go get a haircut because she was like, "Oh, you're gonna take forever in film?" I was like, "Yes," and she's like, "Oh, go get a haircut." I was like, "All right, go do it. Whatever." All of a sudden, I thought I just drank a makeup product. All right, let's set the eyes. I'm gonna just use this Tarte unicorn brush so cutely. Hopefully not get it all over my black dress. Oops. My bad. We're gonna start with a lavender. This is from the NYX Vivid Brights palette. And we're gonna pop that all over the place. That sound good? Yeah. Yeah, bitch. Yeah, it does. We'll use this Wet n Wild brush. Like, I'm so obsessed with this NYX Vivid Brights, or Ultimate Bright, Vivid Brights, no. This NYX Ultimate Brights palette, like, look how beautiful it is. You can build it, you can blend it. It's got all my favorite colors in it, because it has every color. And I'm gonna take this up high. I don't think I'm gonna do a cut crease, but, I mean, you never know, right? You never know with me when a cut crease is just gonna happen out of nowhere. Well, I definitely want this to be my crease shade, and that means, or like my transition / crease shade, that means it has to be above the crease, right? I'm gonna take it a little bit on the outer corner and the inner corner. Maybe we'll do a little halo. Halo, bitch, halo. Halo, halo. Why would they bark? Well, I went into magenta, so I guess that's what we're gonna do next. Look how bright this color is, like, holy shitsies. Is anybody else watching 15 Days of Foundation from the Taylor? Put a card for her up there. She's fucking awesome. I love her. She's so thorough. Like, her foundation reviews are legit, man. I love it. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit more of that lavender. Just using the same exact brush and blend that. I don't want to lose the lavender. I don't want to lose it. I like the darker magenta shade situation. And then we're going to go into the darkest purple in this palette and pop that right here, outer corner. Excuse me. Inner corner. Up in the crease a bit. Above, a little bit above the crease, but also in the crease. Yeah, I'm going to build that up. Now, just tilt my head back so I can see what's going on. And smile! I don't know why I'm smiling. Got a little bit too, like, lost some of the magenta. Add that back on top, girlfriend. Yas, queen. This is what we're looking like so far. So far, so good. Okay, we're gonna go in with our Sleek palette, Beautiful Sin, and hop into this black shade here. And we're gonna use a smaller brush for this. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna use this little Anastasia brush. Came in my Prism palette. And we're popping that black. Using the smaller side of this dual-ended brush. And we're just gonna press that right here in the outer corner. And on the inner corner. Yeah. go back in with that purpley brush and put any more product on it. Blend the top of it. Okay. Yes, queen. Let's build up this outer edge a little more. A little more drama, please. Drama. How's that look? I'm asking you guys like you'll answer me through the screen. So we are going to go into the Fairies palette. And we're going into this purple shade called Moonlight. And pop that on with my finger. Of course, because that's how we roll. And we'll see how that works. We'll see, won't we? I'm just keeping that shimmer in the center, kind of in like a little half moon shape, you know what I mean? Should I try it dry on a brush too, and then wet if I need to? Let's do it that way. It's kind of hard though, like, because you're like, oh, well, I'm building it up. Is that what's making it brighter? Or is it because I used a brush this time? Oh, found it. Nice. I need something more, like, conspicuous. Like, this just disappears all the time when I'm trying to find it. So, I don't know. Okay, we're going in wet. Okay. We're going in wet. I mean, it's whatever, right? Like, I mean, it's pretty, but I was, like, to be honest, I was expecting a lot more from this palette. I mean, that's just one of the shades. It is a bit darker, but, I mean, it's really pretty, but it's just not as shimmery as I thought it would be. If it makes sense to anybody, let me know. I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye off camera, and then I'll be back. That's pretty. It's just so pretty. All right. I'd say the eyes are done. What do you guys think? I think I'm right. Let's go in with the Fairies palette. Even though the purple was not as exciting as I thought it would be, I'm gonna try these two shades. So I'm gonna start with the the bronzy shade. Picked up a lot. Okay, right off the bat, I'm telling you, this formula is way glittier. That's not a word. Way more glittery than the original hi-lite palette. And I'm not really living for the glitter. I don't know if you can tell that it's more glittery, but I feel like my texture is really emphasized. So I would guess that's because it's glittery, right? Blend that out, a little bit more blush, so I'm just not living. Do a little purple and see how we're at, where we're at there. Girl, I don't know about this. I just don't know about that. Let me show you what it should look like. How about that? Let's talk about what this highlight is supposed to look like. Let's go in with a little gold. You see that? Yes, it's layered. But like the texture instantly minimized. Looks like a wet fucking highlight the way it's supposed to. Ooh, bitch, I'm mad about it. I spent a lot on that palette. I feel like I returned too much stuff at Ulta. But honestly, I think I might need to go do some exchanges today. Because this is more than disappointing, to be honest. You see what I'm talking about? How much prettier that is? Less texture. Oh fuck, man. Makes me mad. I'm just sticking with my original highlight palette. Can't stop me. Oh, man. I'm mad. The ingredient list. The ingredient list is very different. So it is actually a different formula. Well, you can tell, can't you? We salvaged it. It's okay. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching me get ready today. I think this was a really fun look to create with a lot of hits and definitely a lot of misses today, and I will be returning some products. But my favorites, I think, were all my tried and trues. None of the new stuff I got was really that exciting, so that's upsetting. Although I think the eyeliner worked. It definitely worked. It's $10 instead of $20 like the Kat Von D locket. I'm staring at myself. So it might be worth it. I have to use it a few more times to decide how I really feel. But I am really loving the fact that it didn't bleed in the inner corners. So that's probably my favorite of the new products that I tried. And then of course everything else that was that I already had, of course, I love it. Not a problem. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, come join the darling army. And when we hit 100 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. So tell your friends, and don't forget to share this video everywhere. You can check me out on my social medias, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Facebook, at I'm a Pluralist. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!